Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures for Thursday, October 26. For the record, today is Wednesday, October 25. Time is around 6:30 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and we are in a situation that we are approaching the wave 2 area as foreseen in the higher time frame analysis. Now we are hanging here, and this makes it a bit difficult to forecast which path we could follow. We are looking, for instance, here at the scenario in green, where we count this as a WX Y structure, and then we are working here on this wave Y. That would mean that this low will hold for now, and we would see some upside into this area. However, there is also a possibility that we are doing a wave A to the downside here, but then we really need like this last push down here, this fifth wave, wave 5 of 5. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we need this fifth wave in order to have an impulse right here. And that could be the completion of a wave A. And then we can see upside as a wave B, and then another wave C down into the wave 2 area indeed. And so if we now zoom in the 1 hour, or if we take the 1 hour time frame, kind of difficult here, especially because the market is giving us very corrective price action among all the indices. The indices also do not really look in sync, like the Nasdaq took out this low here, for instance, the October 23 low, but the other indices are not really reacting to this or are not really following the Nasdaq. So there is still quite some separation here between the low and our current price level. So that doesn't make our analysis easier. Like from here on the 1 hour, like this could be counted. My favorite count would be to count this as an impulse, actually, as a wave 1, wave 2 down, wave 3, highest RSI reading. We break the RSI trend line as a wave 4, and we make a new high here, the fifth wave with divergence. And I believe it's even more clear or nicer here on the 15-minute, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 right here, then a corrective mess as a wave 4. We nicely react from the wave 4 area, the lower boundary of the wave 4 area, here the area between the 0.382 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. We make a new high ending with divergence. So these elements make me think that this is an impulse, and if this is an impulse, then this should play out right here. Then we have our fifth wave here, or wave A right here, and then what we can expect is some movement into the wave B area, which is then located right here between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracements, like this. And then another wave C up. So that would be the path if we could count this here as an impulse. Now, so a wave C, then probably here into the wave X area, then we have an ABC as a wave X. Now, if we count this as an A, B, C like this, and the C wave with wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, then yeah, then we should actually see more downside from here. So that would mean here that this was our high and that this is the start of our fifth wave down. So if I look only at the DAX, I would favor the count A, B, C, but that does not really match with the strong move down that we saw in the Nasdaq, taking out this low right here. I would expect if the Nasdaq takes out the low, the other indices will follow. But this should happen more or less simultaneously, and that does not really happen right now. We are just sitting here with the DAX. Also, the Dow Jones is not really following the Nasdaq at this very moment. So this makes it a bit a strange situation. So therefore, I'm just sharing what I see and what we can expect. If this is 5 waves here, then the path would be A, B, C right here. Um, if this is 3 waves as an A, B, C, then we know we are reacting here from the equal leg area. We are in the wave 4 area, and then an impulse to the downside should follow as here this fifth wave. So wave 5 of 5, which would then be the completion of wave A down. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.